One airline's gate agent measured a 21-inch bag and slapped on a €78 oversize carry-on charge after boarding had closed. In the next 8 tips, you'll learn how the airline uses silent traps that turn free carry-ons into hidden fees, missed flights, and shredded travel points, and the surgical hacks that flip everyone back in your favor.
What's the sneakiest charge you've ever paid just to keep your bag with you?
Ever watched gate agents eye carry-ons like hawks hunting prey at boarding time? It's not random scrutiny, it's strategic revenue. Airlines quietly instruct agents to measure carry-ons right when boarding's almost done. If your bag flunks by even an inch, congrats. You've just won a surprise 45-minute delay and a hefty gate check fee. Most travelers panic, reluctantly swipe a credit card, and fume silently, convinced there's no choice. But there is. You simply request the magic phrase, a voluntary gate check sticker. Agents rarely advertise this secret because it sidesteps the fee and classifies your bag as airline responsibility. This ensures you'll never pay extra or wait at baggage claim again. Total win. And this trick's teabagged. Airlines can't refuse you voluntary checks if bins are filling. A frequent flyer in Amsterdam narrowly avoided a €78 ambush fee using this phrase alone. Free gate check, please. Remember it. Why do identical carry-ons sometimes pass through airline checks fine one day, but trigger fees the next? Welcome to the baffling world of linear inches, airline's favorite silent wallet drainer. Every airline lists permitted dimensions, but here's the catch. They measure external dimensions including wheels and handles, not internal packing space. This sneaky math inflates actual size by about 17%, meaning your trusty 22-inch bag may secretly measure 25.6 inches in airline terms. The result? Mandatory gate check fees, right as boarding begins. One business traveler learned this painful lesson, forced to shell out €60 because her favorite suitcase's wheels stuck out just 2 centimeters too far. Total nonsense. But you can dodge this entirely. Pack to your bag's internal dimensions, minus a couple of inches to offset handle and wheels. Carry a collapsible measuring tape, or even the airline's bag template screenshot from their website. Politely presenting evidence typically melts agent resolve instantly. Less luggage drama means more cash for your espresso in Milan. Ever boarded early just to watch your perfectly sized carry-on violently stuffed sideways by another passenger, crushing your laptop or fragile souvenirs? Overhead bin wars aren't just annoying, they're expensive. Airline disclaimers mean you're responsible for your belongings even if damage happens in flight, leaving you with a cracked screen or broken perfume bottles and zero compensation. Travelers lose hundreds yearly replacing damaged gear, thinking it's unavoidable. Here's your secret shield. Always pick seats on the left, A side of the aircraft. Most planes board through the front left door, ensuring you're first to access bin space, dramatically cutting your risk of baggage trauma. Travelers lose hundreds yearly replacing damaged gear, thinking it's unavoidable. Here's your secret shield. Always pick seats on the left, A side of the aircraft. Most planes board through the front left door, ensuring you're first to access bin space, dramatically cutting your risk of baggage trauma. Need extra protection? Slide your delicate items into a lightweight padded sleeve before placing your carry-on above. One traveler on a Paris flight watched helplessly as someone jammed a heavy backpack atop his camera bag, shattering expensive lenses. Now he never boards without reserving an A-side seat. Peace guaranteed. Think your sleek metal frame backpack beats carry-on dimensions by being flexible? Gate agents see through this instantly, often slapping a painful $29 gate check fee because rigid frames don't bend, even slightly, during the dreaded airline sizer test. The consequence is unexpected fees and last-minute repacking stress in front of glaring passengers. Backpack enthusiasts swear by metal supports, but here's the harsh truth. Airlines have caught onto the trick. Save yourself the headache and money by swapping the metal ribbing for a lightweight removable frame sheet or a roll-tight packing cube. You instantly transform your rigid pack into a squishable hero, easily sliding through sizers without argument. A savvy hiker learned this after a humiliating scene at Heathrow, forced to repack hurriedly and publicly. Now she carries everything in soft cubes. Zero fees ever since. Flexibility beats rigidity every flight. Guaranteed win. Ever sprinted from Terminal A to Terminal E, breathless and sweaty, because your connecting flight suddenly enforced stricter carry-on rules? Airlines love code share partnerships because it lets them play by their partners' smaller baggage dimensions. Even mid-journey, your perfectly compliant carry-on at departure suddenly morphs into a gate check nightmare halfway through your itinerary. That frantic dash isn't just exhausting, it could cost you a missed flight, plus a forced $50 carry-on check. Here's your instant fix. Always print or screenshot the carry-on policy of the strictest partner airline on your itinerary and attach it visibly to your handle. Gate agents, confronted with concrete evidence, quickly wave you through rather than argue policy at a crowded gate. A digital nomad learned this trick after being stranded overnight in Dallas, thanks to shifting rules between partner airlines. Now she proudly displays the tightest standards on her bag's tag. Zero hassles since. Think your trusty backpack safely passes as a free personal item on a packed red eye? Think again. Gate agents love enforcing height limits on underseat bags late at night, especially when cabins are full. Bags taller than 4 inches become immediate candidates for forced overhead bin placement, right where bin space has vanished. The consequence? Your personal bag gate checked without warning, potentially costing you $40 or more, plus an uncomfortable overnight flight without your essentials. But there's an easy fix airlines won't advertise. Compress your personal bag tightly at the gate, reducing its height visibly to around 3 to 4 inches. A simple compression strap, or even tightly wrapping a scarf around your pack, shrinks its profile dramatically, instantly neutralizing gate agent attention. One traveler on a packed Los Angeles to Boston flight avoided a surprise $35 gate check fee with this exact trick, compressing her laptop backpack at the gate just enough to pass unnoticed. Problem solved. Sleep well. Fly happy. Ever confidently boarded your flight home, loaded with duty-free chocolates, perfumes, and local wines, only to get hit with an absurd €68 fee right before boarding? Airlines quietly count duty-free bags as additional items, ruthlessly triggering expensive gate check fees on return trips. It's a painful final insult. Your thoughtful souvenirs become wallet drainers right at the jet bridge. One traveler returning from China learned this lesson harshly, forced to pay an unexpected fee, nearly equal to the cost of her carefully chosen champagne gifts. Total nonsense. Here's the easy fix airlines dread you knowing. Use priority flat rate boxes and mail your purchases home. It's shockingly cheaper, stress-free, and ensures your gifts arrive safely without airline greed gobbling up your vacation savings. Plus, mailing ahead ensures smooth, hassle-free boarding. No awkward gate arguments. Your loved ones still get the treats, and your wallet stays healthy. Everyone wins. If you've ever boarded late and found yourself assigned to the last row, congratulations, you've just entered a high-stakes lottery with your carry-on luggage. Last row passengers are most likely to encounter overstuffed bins, leaving gate agents free to slap you with an outrageous $95 cabin check ambush right at boarding time. Adding insult, your checked bag might disappear into airport limbo, costing you precious vacation hours retrieving it later. But hidden in plain sight is a powerful financial fix. Most premium travel credit cards include a baggage delay refund clause if your bag gets forcibly checked and delayed even slightly. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred cover essentials, often reimbursing more than the fee itself. One couple traveling to Tokyo got blindsided by a gate check charge, but turned the tables completely. They claimed back their entire forced fee through their card benefit, plus replacement clothing and toiletries, turning airline hassle into a personal payday. Smart strategy. Perfect revenge. 8 sneaky carry-on traps exposed, and 8 effortless hacks to dodge airline greed, baggage drama, and surprise fees forever. You've mastered the secret phrases, packing tricks, and even the hidden credit card perks airlines quietly hate you using. Next up, we'll unveil how seat selection algorithms secretly dictate your travel experience long before check-in. Subscribe so airlines never catch you unaware again. Not financial, legal, or flight advice. Verify with official airline policy.